If your iPhone calculator app keeps crashing or won't open properly, here are a few quick ways to fix it. First, force close the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and find the calculator app, then swipe it away to close it completely. And reopen the app, then see if it works. Next, restart your iPhone. A quick restart can solve small software bugs. Power off your iPhone and turn it back on after a few seconds. Then, check for any iOS updates and make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of it. After that, reset all settings. If the problem continues, go to your Settings app and tap on General. Then, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Reset and finally choose Reset all settings from the options. This will not delete your data, but it will reset system settings, which might solve the crash issue. If the app still won't open from the home screen, try opening Calculator from Control Center or searching for it in Spotlight. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.